Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Ahrefs alerts for mentions and link opportunities step by step clearly. To enable Ahrefs alerts for mentions and link opportunities, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Ahrefs website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the Alerts option in the main navigation menu. Click on Alerts to access the Alerts dashboard. You will see options for different types of alerts, including new backlinks and mentions. For mentions, select Mentions to set up alerts for brand mentions across the web. Click on the Create Alert button. In the alert setup form, enter the keyword or brand name you wish to monitor. Choose the language and country settings based on your target audience. Next, select how often you would like to receive these alerts daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the type of content you want to monitor, such as articles, blogs, or forums. You will also see an option to limit alerts to specific domains if needed. After configuring your alert, review the settings for accuracy. When satisfied, click the Create Alert button to finalize your setup. Now, to enable link opportunity alerts, return to the Alerts dashboard. Click on Create Alert again. This time, enter the keywords related to your niche or relevant topics. Select the same language and country settings as before. Choose the frequency for these alerts as well. In this alert setup, you might also want to filter by specific websites or ignore certain domains. Review these settings as well, ensuring they align with your goals. Once reviewed, click the Create Alert button to save this alert. You will now receive notifications in your email for both mentions and link opportunities. Monitor your inbox for these alerts to stay informed and seize new opportunities. With these alerts active, you can enhance your link building strategy effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.